Hello, scrapers managing online reputation for your Airbnb listings. Airbnb reviews hold valuable insights, but collecting them manually is slow and frustrating. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to extract Airbnb reviews using Outscraper Airbnb Review Scraper. So let's dive right in. Head over to Outscraper and log into your account. To use this service, just click on Services and search on Airbnb Review Scraper. Airbnb Review Scraper extract reviews from accommodation in Airbnb. Copy and paste the URL of the Airbnb listings you want to get reviews from. You can add the limit per one query to control the number of the results you want to get. Also, you can use the sorting feature to sort it by most recent, highest rated, and lowest rated. Once everything is set, click Export Reviews. Here, you will be prompted by a window containing the information of your script. Click Confirm and let Outscraper do its work. Once the task is done, download your result by clicking this download button. And now you have a list of reviews ready for your analysis. Whether you're managing brand perception or tracking feedback trends, Outscraper makes Airbnb review scraping effortless. Head over to Outscraper and try our free tier. Happy scraping!